Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to solve the 2024 Digital SAT practice test number 1. Now this is the linear test, not the adaptive test. So this is practice test number 1, linear. This is math module number 1, question number 26. A lot of people have a hard time with this question. It is very strange. It's not something that you would typically see in your math classes. Anyways, today you're going to learn the right way to solve this question, not by guessing or by plugging in answer choices. So go ahead and take a look at this question. I'm not going to read it off, but go ahead and take a look at this. And if you are able to get the answer without plugging in answer choices and doing this the right way, you've done better than 95% of the kids out there. So go ahead and pause the video and try to work this out. So I want to point out that College Board itself has an answer and explanation, which is total garbage. Take a look at this. This is their explanation of question number 26. They go through a lot of stuff, blah, 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 and they tell you to substitute the choices in to each equation until you find the right one. That is actually a lame explanation. You're not going to do that. I mean, you can. But really, that's their explanation, is to substitute all the choices in? There's something wrong with that, okay? I'm going to show you guys the right way to do this. So let's take a look at question number 26. You got two equations here. They are linear. 2x plus 3y equals 7. 10x plus 15y equals 35. And saying for each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane for the given system. Okay. This is a little bit strange because there are three possibilities, okay? If you're talking about a system of equations, the three possibilities are this. The first possibility is that the lines are going to intersect and you're going to have one solution. And that means they're only going to intersect at one point. There's only one point that could work. The second possibility is that these are two parallel lines and they're never ever going to touch. So you're not going to have any points that actually hit. Okay, so this is going to give you zero solutions. The third possibility is that these are both, in fact, the same line. And you're going to have an infinite number of solutions because it's going to hit everywhere. So these are three possibilities. So let's look at what we have. If you look at these two equations right here, you'll notice that 10x plus 15y plus equals 35 is actually just 5 times more than the first line. So in fact, we're looking at the same line, which means that we're looking at situation number 3. We have an infinite number of solutions. So we're going to focus just on that, okay? So it's a little bit strange that they're asking this. 2x plus 3y equals 7. We're going to turn this into the y equals mx plus b form and see what happens. So we're going to solve for y here. Got y equals negative 2x plus 7 over 3. Okay, so that means if you have a value of x plugged in, you're going to get a y value that's negative 2x over 3 plus 7/3. Okay, let's look at these choices here. Well, this one kind of looks like that. Choice C. The problem is it's missing negative 2. Now be careful. A lot of people choose this and they go, oh, yeah, that's right, but it's not right. Okay, so let's see what's going on. So what we're going to look at is the x value instead. So instead, we're going to solve for the x value, and we're going to have x equals negative 3y plus 7, divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals negative 3y over 2 plus 7 halves. What this means is whatever you have in for the y value, you're going to use that equation to calculate out the x value. So we're actually starting with the y value and figuring out the x value. So take a look at choice B, and that's what you have. You got the y value first. Let's say r is the y value, and if you take r and plug it in there, the x value is actually calculated based off the y value, and you get negative 3 halves r plus 7 halves. And there you go. This is a very, very strange question. A little bit out there, but again, if you got this right without plugging in all 4 choices, you did better than 95% of the students out there. Right answer is B. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, if you feel that this video was useful, please like and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends who are studying so hard for the SAT.